If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile page, tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Security section and select two-factor authentication. This will show you the current status of your two-factor authentication. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to turn off two-factor authentication. You may need to enter your password to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Snapchat account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and being cautious with your login information.